why don't you give it a try? Maybe you'll succeed. Even if you don't, all you'll get to learn are few new things. Do give it a thought. What we mostly forget is that we get to live once. After all, our favorite Shah Rukh Khan also said, हम एक बार जीते हैं, एक बार मरते हैं. He also said, जियो, खुश रहो, मुस्कुराओ. क्या पता कल होना हो. What a thought. But is it so difficult to apply it in our lives? Why do we give up so fast? Why don't we think that if tried, maybe the result would have been different and maybe positive? समंदर में कश्ती चलाई नहीं, सैलाब से पहले डर गए. चलाते तब नतीजा निकलता. डूब गए तो ठीक, और साहिल तक पहुंच गए तब कामयाबी हासिल है. There comes a time in everyone's life when they feel like giving up, when they feel like they have nothing left because of one incident that takes place in their lives. That one moment is enough for them to judge themselves, and then they take such measures which they don't realize are worse. जाने की तमन्ना सब कर लेते हैं, जीना किसी को नहीं. मौसम जब तक हसीन था, चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट रही. बादल आते ही जब तूफान आया, मौत का रास्ता सामने आया. जब धरती पर ही जहन्नुम महसूस हुआ, तो मन में जन्नत का दरवाजा दिखा. खुद को और दुनिया को अलविदा कहना उस लम्हे में सबसे आसान लगा. Teenagers are changing their mindsets and are taking extremely drastic measures which result in nothing but a huge loss and grief for their family members and loved ones. Everyone has a second choice, but we never see it. We have to open the doors to find out. As they say, we are a sad generation with happy faces. And most of us agree with it too. But why? Why do we need to stay sad? There are many questions which we should ask ourselves. If life is giving us a lemon, let us make a lemonade rather than wait for it to dry out. सीने की आग को यूं ना दफनाओ, काबिलियत जो है वो करके दिखाओ. लोगों के कहने पे अपने आप को मत गिरा दो. खुद जियो और दूसरों को जीना सिखा दो.